How to add sub-collections in Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you're someone that is trying to organize their Shopify store, then it's really important to utilize its inbuilt features such as collections and sub-collections. So let's get started and let's take a look at how we can build sub-collections. Simply click on Product on your Shopify dashboard and then click on Collections. Once you do that, click on Add Collection and name your collections. Starting off, my first collection is going to be called Makeup, and then after that, I want to categorize the makeup items that I have. So I'm going to click on Create Another Collection, and the second one is going to be called Lip Products or Lips. And then I'm going to click on Save, and then the other collection is going to be Eyes. So I'm going to go into Collections again and then click on Add, and then I'm going to add a separate one called Eyes. And these are going to be my two sub-collection items under the collection called Makeup. Now you might say, hey, I added all of these as collections. Well, don't worry, I'll show you guys how we're going to be separating them. So the way that you're going to actually be layering them in your menu is going to be the way that it is going to be displayed as a sub-collection. Because when you create a collection on Shopify, there is no default way to add a sub-collection. Instead, you're going to go into the left and you're going to go into your content on the left. Once you go into content, click on menus and then go into main menu. Once you add your main menu, we're going to change this from catalog to shop, and this is going to be my shop button. Then I'm going to click on Add Menu Item, and instead of typing everything, I just like to click on Link, click on Collections, and then add all of them. So first off, I'm going to add Makeup, then I'm going to add another menu item and pretty much repeat all of the same steps. So then I'm going to add Lips, then I'm going to go into Collections once more, and then I'm going to add Eyes, then click on Save. Now I'm going to move Makeup right under Shop, then move it slightly towards the right. So now Shopping has a sub-menu item called Makeup, and my Makeup has two collections, Lips and Eyes. So I'm going to drag this right under Makeup and then move it further towards the right, which makes Lips a item under Makeup. Then pretty much move Eyes into the same section, but don't move it towards the left over here. Instead, move it right under where you entered the collection called Lips, or whatever yours is called. And just like so, we have these two sub-collections present within Makeup. Click on Save over here, and now if I show you guys my online store, this is what it's going to look like. This is my shop section, and then within Makeup, I have two sub-collections. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.